Hello ladies, welcome back to video 6 of the garden journal that we're making together in the Junk Journal Pen Pals group. Today we're going to make a little project to keep your seed packets in. This is it, using the tags that were in the kit and the paper that comes in the kit. Each side has a slot where you can put your seed packet. Now you can from this see that you would be able to make a much bigger version of this where you could add further packets, but for today I'm just going to make this simple one which you would be able to fit in your journal. There's one in one side and there's one in this side. Carrots, and then it just does up, and you can hang it somewhere in your potting shed, or you can affix it to your journal, perhaps the cover. These cards came in the kit, the journal cards, and these were 2 of the tags. So I've printed off a page of the background paper, and on the other side just a plain ticking paper, and it's up to you which pages you use and which ones you have at the front. Just let the dog out. Dogs and cats always want to do something when you're busy. They know when you're busy, don't they? And this one certainly does. So last time I used the ticking paper on the outside, so I suppose this time it'd be a good idea to use the other one. So to make the pocket, you will just fold the page over like so. Press it down with the bone folder. Open it out again and then fold from the bottom up to the middle. And again with the other side. And now we need to stick this down. And the way to do that is with some thick sellotape. So with the sticky side down, you're going to cover half of the bottom piece. Like so. And then you're going to fold it up and when you bring this down it will stick nicely to that sellotape. Just like that. And then all you need to do is fold it in half. Still got some sellotape peeking out. And there's your pocket. Now last time I made one, I cut off this white edge, and that was not the right thing to do because I found that the seed packet was taller and it got in the way of the garden twine. So this time I'm going to leave it as it is, but I'll distress it. Always learn by your mistakes, don't you? So it won't be so noticeable. If you weren't making a gardening journal, you could just put some lace down the side there and that would look lovely. If you've used the ticking side, it doesn't matter which way up you have it, but obviously with this one it does. So you want it to be up that way really, don't you? Next thing I'm going to do is put the journal cards on. And here you have a choice. You can either put them in the middle like I did, or you can put them on the outside. Or you could do both. I'm going to put mine in the middle. I think for quickness while you're watching, I'm going to do it with the tape. I got one of these, which I got from Hobbycraft. And it's a very quick way of sticking paper to paper. But you can take your time and use the glue. If you wish. There we are, so now it's pretty on the inside. And you're going to decide what to do on the outside. Lots of options here. You can use a tag like I did on the other one. Which looks nice. nice one, isn't it? It's a little bit different. Or you could make a little tuck spot, or just decorate. I've got the bigger ones here. Let's see what they look like. I've stuck the tab on the front. And I think I'm going to decorate it in the corner. So, which one shall I choose? Have that one, or that one. That one. That one conveniently goes to the side, doesn't it? So I think I'm going to use that one. One thing you will have to remember if you're doing this is to push the tab as far to the edge as you can, because once you put your packet of seeds in, you're going to need to get above it if you can, you see, like so. Proving to be a tough one, and my hand is not as strong as it used to be, as I do it too. That's better. It's really thick. And then you can do with the seed packet in, and you can poke your piece of garden twine through the hole so the seed packet doesn't fall out. And you do the same on the other side. Inside you've got the nice journal cards. And on the back another tag. I think this flower here looks very much like the ones in the pot, so I think I'm going to decorate that there. Did you see the little mouse has come to watch? Isn't she sweet? I have have to think of a name for her, won't I? So that's somewhere to keep 2 packets of seeds. And if you wanted to, you could do something different in the middle. You could make another pocket or whatever you wanted to, really. I like it like this, because it is going to be quite bulky when you've got the 2 packets of seeds in there, one in the front and one in the back. You don't want it too thick in your journal. That was my idea. So I hope you enjoyed watching this little project, and I hope you'll have a go yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.